First, you add 6 to 8 ounces of hot boiling water. Next, you add your Formula 1 pumpkin spice shake. Then your vanilla protein mix. Next, you add some sugar-free vanilla flavoring, your chai tea, some house blend protein coffee, and you blend it all together for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Next, you pour. Then you add a little cinnamon at the top to give it a kick. And now you have yourself a nice hot cup of pumpkin spice chai latte. This drink with the Formula 1 vanilla protein and protein coffee gives you about 20 grams of protein, and the tea will boost your metabolism and burn calories to give you energy.